Hello everyone, here is something that will be helpful before coming to the Twitter session at TechYes. If you don't have a Twitter account, it really is a great way to connect with other educators around the world and a great way to show awesome things happening in your classroom. I promise it will be time well spent. First, you will want to go to twitter.com. You will then need a Twitter handle, which is the @ sign. And something that's simple or easy for others to remember. Mine is really simple. It's just the @ Crystal Floyd. So here is where you will come to twitter.com, and this is what you'll see. I already have an account, so my information is here. But what you'll want to do is go ahead and click the sign up button. And since you're new, you'll click the sign up now. And you'll include your name. And I didn't include my phone number. I used my email instead. So you'll enter your information here. After you've selected your username and password, it'll give you this step here. I would just suggest that you skip this for now. Otherwise, you may get a bunch of ads and stuff for these things. You can go through and select the things you're interested in, but I would say just to skip this for now. Next, it will give you suggestions for you to follow, and my choice would be as well to skip this for now. And then you can choose either to allow notifications or not. So this is where you'll see the tweets that you've already tweeted, and I just created this account for this training purpose, and so there's no tweets here. You'll see this is the @ PHS Crystal that I used to create this account. You can go in here and you'll want to include a photo of yourself, and I would say, especially if you're using it for school purposes, that you use something professional looking there, or something that represents you well. Okay, right here, this is your profile link. So if you'll click your profile link, and you can go to your profile, and this is also where you can edit your profile. So you can add a picture that displays here. Add your profile picture, and then it will give you an opportunity to tell a little bit about yourself here, kind of where you're from, if you want to add a website and your birthday. And then once you have your Twitter account created, it'll look like this. So I have my my Twitter handle there is @ Crystal Floyd. Have a little bit of information about me. Then it shows the tweets. These are the people that I'm following, and then this lists the followers, so the followers that are following me. And if you'll look here, this is something that I retweeted a while ago from Coach Pointer, showing kind of what was going on out on his field today. If you'd like to go ahead and follow a few people before we start with our Twitter, s'more, and so much more, here's a few Pampa people that you can follow, and here are some educators around the world that I like to keep up with and see what they're tweeting about. Hopefully this video helped you get your Twitter set up, and I look forward to seeing you at TechYes at the Twitter, s'more, and so much more session.